Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Enter the enchanting world of beautiful basketball art, where creativity interwitness with nature to adorn your home with captivating wall art. Embracing the rustic charm and versatility of woven basket, this trend has taken the realm of home decor by storm. Imagine a gallery of intricately designed baskets, each with its unique patterns and textures, harmoniously arranged on the walls of your living space. Whether they are vintage finds from the local market or handicrafted masterpieces, these baskets add depth and character to any room. Their earthy tones and natural fibers effortlessly complement various decor styles from bohemian to farmhouse and everything in between. As you arrange these artful baskets on the wall, you create a visual symphony that celebrates the beauty of craftsmanship and the wonder of nature. With their lightweight nature, hanging them becomes a breeze, offering endless possibility for creativity and personalization. So, if you seek to infuse your home with warmth, add an artistic flair, explore the world of basketball art, where nature's beauty meets ambiguity of design, resulting in an inviting and soulful ambience for all to enjoy. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Design channel.